Okay, let's show an opener that I think everybody will like. Yes, that is an old Sears, new in the box. Haven't even opened it yet. That's pretty cool, huh? Old graphics. Heck yeah. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, staples are pulled. Let's see what we can do. Oh, never mind. There's more. I'm used to the new stuff. My bad. And yes, I saved the staples. Or the box. I pull them the nice way. Of course, it's hard to do one-handed, but we're making it happen. So, okay, now I believe they're all pulled. Oh, look at that. First time it's been opened. Ooh, look at that. High quality steel straight arm. Oh yeah. This isn't skimpy right here. That's quality right there, boys and girls. And the old handle. Yes. And the old rope. And old bracketry. Look at that stuff. Old hardware. Pretty neat. Let's see what's in the next box here. This feels like something fun. Set him aside. There's the unit. She definitely looks like she's still got some tarnish on her. Maybe a key switch. Not positive. Pull this out and see what we got. Nothing in there. Just some filler. Got this in it. Okay. Oh. Yes, I have one. And yes, it's not yellow. Look at that. The original lens cover. Extremely hard to find. Yep. SMS has one though. Okay, that end is open. I'm going to pause and then I'm going to pull this unit out. Okay, she's out of the styrofoam. Got the chain here. I believe this is a full chain drive. I think that's what Garage Door Geek said in his video of it, if I remember right. There's the other part of the J-arm, and then there's the somewhat deteriorated manual. And another insert as well. It has some tips on it. Yeah, here's where the date code is on these, by the way. August 10th, 1979. And let me tell you, this thing is made out of steel, not Chinesium. That right there is some thick stuff. And what do you notice about these? They're powder coated on the chassis. Interesting. There it is, the 139.655000, 1/3 horsepower Sears automatic door opener. New in box in the collection of SMS 373 with the original lens. You'll have to forgive me with the camera work. I'm trying to do this and open this at the same time. Let me grab and open up the radio controls and the remote, because you know everybody wants to see that. And we'll also put the lens on this machine, because we are going to run this in this video. So keep watching. Okay. I've got everything out that I want to get out. There's some more remaining hardware here with the trolley and stuff in that box and the key switch. I'm not going to mess with it. I just ran it. We'll put it to you this way. It sounds like quality. Extremely quiet. But there it is. The radio control set. Let's take a look at this. I can smell the light delay too, by the way. I hope I'm not burning it up, but it stinks. There's your frequency code number, S. I have no idea what that means. I'm sure somebody knows what that means. I'm going to put it to you this way, guys. These old non-board-based machines, so pre-1984 stuff, I know there were board-based before 84, but pre-1984, this is not my cup of tea. Like, this is not my bread and butter, we'll just say. I don't know enough about them, so please forgive me for calling things wrong for what they are. I'm just excited to have one of these. This is really, really neat to have one of these in hand, new in box. There's the original transmitter. All the info on it. Super neat. Battery was rusted in it, but there was no battery acid, so it's probably salvageable. And I love the click. Listen to that. That is so good. Quality, baby. And not much of a click on that. Oh, there's the lens cover on there. That was really hard to get on without getting crazy, too. So, with that being said, we're going to finish out this video by giving her a run and letting you guys to hear one of these new out of the box for the first time. I mean, shoot, that's quieter than some of these MVIS machines. And no, I'm not bashing. This right here, folks, is what true quality sounds like. And no, I'm not bashing. Remember what I said in the Aviator video. I'm not bashing. We're not bashing any brands, including the ones that, well, I'm not fond of. But there it is. The 139.655000 new in the box. I wish I had the rail for it, but hey, you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. I've been wanting one of these old machines for a while, but I really wanted to get one that was new in the box, just so that it hasn't been molested, and plus it comes with a lens cover, because 9 times out of 10 with the used ones, you just don't get them with the lens covers. So there it is, Sears garage door opener from the late 70s. Have a good one.